Welcome to Celestun, Yucatan, here in Mexico. Hola, buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. ¿En español?
Más o menos, sí. Solo rápido para checar.
Oh, sí, no problem.
Ok, gracias. This is a tour that's in the town of Celestun, which is on the coast here in the state of Yucatan, about an hour and a half from the city of Mérida. And it begins very early in the morning. It begins at 6 a.m. and you go in that canoe that you saw, and with the stick, the pole, the driver, the lanchero, takes you to see the early morning birds, other wildlife that might be up at that time. And it's about 2 hours more or less. And then if the time of the year is right, then you're actually going to go and actually view the flamingos that migrate here and stay. So it's a really cool trip. It's something though that you need to be here the night before, because like I said, you have to meet your guide at 6 a.m. in the morning.